Hello traders. All right, here goes another video, this time on oil. Okay, so this is the oil prep for tomorrow. This is our pre-market preparation for next day. So tonight it is May 17th, and oil this morning we have a very nice move right off the we actually closed this gap. You guys recall the gap that I had on oil mark on my charts. This was from last inventory report. We gapped down, and we have corrected the whole move, the whole move, excuse me, since Thursday, Friday, and today on Monday. We closed completely the gap. Today, they gave us a pretty nice move, really mechanical on oil, guys. We opened right at the value area low, very near the value area low from Friday, which was a great trade for some of the guys here in the room. I couldn't grab the 64.50, kind of dragged me all morning. I placed my order way too low from the overnight value from yesterday. Anyway, nonetheless, I was able to capture some move off the top today this morning from 66.30s to around 66.10 as we were closing this afternoon oil. So what to expect tomorrow? Let me give you the big overview what's happening with oil. You guys recall how about 2 weeks ago, we start printing this area right around this 66.80, 66.50, and you clearly start seeing now some movement on the upper end of the pricing spectrum. Now we are holding these 64s pretty nice and moving towards those 66 numbers, and hopefully we're gonna get to that 67 by the end of the week. All depends on inventory. But going into tomorrow, you can see already overnight printing 66.44. We have the rollover going on as well. So let's see how the next month is going to pick up volume and how we're going to adjust positions when it comes to the oil. So look for tonight going into tomorrow if we can hold this $66 even. I told the guys in the room, look out for a move from 66.50 right back to the value around the 65.85, which is a value area low from today, Monday. And today was pretty quiet. I mean, we dragged down and immediately rotate higher. Most of the morning on oil, it was above the $66 move. So it is important for tonight during the Globex session that we hold this 66 level. If by any chance we were to move lower tomorrow morning before the market opening, right around this 65.85 or 65.70, there is the move for us to start going long again for oil, trying to go and potentially grab about 90 ticks back to 66.80, $67 on oil. So this morning I was in the room again. I couldn't grab the 64.50s. They gave us 64.87. We were expecting a move down to the 64.55, and I couldn't grab it. So immediately 64.92, we open and we just start going higher until we go above that value area from the 65.90 from the past Wednesday. And we spent a pretty good chunk of the time there, right inside this value, guys. If you guys recall, last Wednesday gave us a pretty nice move. We were printing 66. We were all happy about it. Then the market started rolling over, and it was just a completely mess. So coming into tomorrow, please look for this 66 even number to hold overnight, and we can capture around $1 going back to 67 on oil. If we break the 66 by any chance tonight, if you decide to go short, be careful on a squeeze. But if you are short at $66 even, probably your target will be those 65.60, 65.55 as a move lower. We'll have tomorrow, we have API, and Wednesday, again, our inventory numbers on oil. But if you look, very nice, healthy move out of last week, guys. All right, let me show you. So what happened was Thursday, we got lower, and immediately Friday, we started now printing value, right? Overlapping value going higher, overlapping value going higher on oil. So we have a pretty nice defined trend line. Start to look for these potential moves, guys. As we come along, I'm gonna give you guys the other chart on my daily for you to see what's going on with the oil. Start looking to capture those 80 to 90 ticks daily. I'll give you here on the screen, really nice, the move to expect out of this oil trade. Okay, here is the hourly chart on oil, and I have my trend line. Those of you who've been in the room, let me get rid of something here. I don't want to see these options futures, this volume, so that gives us more room. So look at what happened on our hourly, right? Hourly, we've been having really nice move out of these 64s last week. But now back at 66.48, guys, I don't see any move now until we get to this 68 to the downside, to be honest, right? Till we get around 67, 68, this will be our target overall for this move, this leg up higher. We have a nice move off those 64. We have a new a higher low that we are printing. So look for that 67, 68 range in the coming days. All depends on that inventory number. So looking at the daily, let me show you what the daily looks like really quick. We talked about last week, we were waiting for the break of this pennant, right? And now we got it. So we broke completely out of it. And last week, I talked about you guys giving it a chance of the oil trade to move away from the $64. Those of you who listened to that video from last week, I recall clearly telling you guys 66 is coming, 67 is coming. So if you are a position trader, grab those 64. You got yourself already about $2.50, $2,500 per lot. So coming in tomorrow, remember we have the 67.98 that we print back in March. I believe this was March 8th, and we plummeted to the 58. You guys recall those moves. But now, as we come to this 68 number, we will be now in supply mode territory. We have to be careful right around this number. I've been telling you 68, between 68 and 70 before July 4th. That will be a pretty healthy number with oil. I do believe we should have probably gotten there much faster, but because of this noise with the India situation with COVID and all these shutdowns going on, we kind of paused right here around the 60s for a little bit. It was a good consolidation nonetheless. So for those of you who've been grabbing those points with us in the room, kudos to you guys. But this is what I see so far as going into tomorrow morning, May 18th. That will be a nice move to start going against those 67s and print those 67, 50, maybe 68 as we come before EIA, before Wednesday. All right, let me go back to my market profile, show you the overall picture. Pretty healthy consolidations that we have with our value right on those 65. You guys recall, I have it right here, 64, 64s, and now going up above that 65 number. The move, guys, is to go higher for this oil. All right, go higher. So tomorrow, look for the 66 number to hold. Anything below that, maybe your 65.70, 65.50 is your trade to go and recapture oil on the way up. And remember, we are live at 11 a.m. every day. We have a power hour, and there we give you insights about the S&P 500, the crude oil, and a bunch of other stocks that we follow here in the room. If you like what you have seen, guys, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you will get notifications every time we go live on YouTube and every time there is a brand new video uploaded to the website. Follow me on Twitter at eslife8_com and come and join our Discord channel for free. We have a nice Discord server free for everybody. Just go to eslife8, that is eslife8.chat. Right? Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room tomorrow morning. Take care. God bless. Peace out, guys.